What's up YouTube? So today I'm reviewing these smart audio glasses. I've already unboxed them, but I'm gonna do a YouTube unboxing for you guys so that way y'all can see it. I love the packaging. This is really nice, very demure. You feel me? Demure. They got the little bag for them. Before I open them up, it also has a lens cloth for you to clean them up when they get dirty. I'm a little bit sick, so my voice does sound stuffy. My nose is stuffy. It's that time of the year, flu season, so people are getting sick, so excuse my voice. But yeah, anyways, these are the glasses. I've been wearing them for the past 2 days now, and honestly, I would have to say these are by far the best glasses I've ever worn. And you won't believe how much they cost. They're fully transparent, and visually they look clean. They've got the modern minimal look. The frame is made of PC material, so it's durable. Look at the arms. I'm gonna call this the arms, the handles, whatever you want to call it. These right here are the speakers. I'm gonna zoom in so that way you guys can see. These right here, those are the speakers right there. And the lenses are TAC UV 400, which means they protect your eyes from UV rays, just like real sunglasses. Even though they're tech glasses, the arms aren't bulky. They bend well with regular eyewear, and in the sun the lens actually turn gray, actually dark. They turn black. They're kind of like sunglasses to an extent. They are transition lenses to be specific. These glasses use Bluetooth 5.4, which is very stable and energy efficient. You're getting a work range of about 10 meters, so you can step away from your phone and still stay connected. You get built-in microphones with speakers that sit right above your ears. It's not bone conduction. It's more like directional speakers, so the audio points towards your ears. As you can tell, your ears will be right here, and the speakers are right here, so the audio will come out from right here and go into your ear. And they work just fine. Definitely worth the money. I'm gonna tell you guys how much I paid for it at the end of the video. Now, the battery life setup is a 55 mAh times 2, so one battery in each side. You get roughly 5 hours of music or call time, 200 hours of standby, 1 hour to charge, 90 minutes to fully charge from 0%. Charging is done through magnetic DC charging connectors on both arms. I'm gonna go get the charger real quick. The charger actually came in the pack, but I just didn't put them in the box. This right here is a charger, so to charge it up, you hook each metal side onto the arms like this. Take this, hook it right up right there, and it's a magnet actually, so you don't have to do too much. Take the other side, plug it in right there, and find a USB port. Plug it in and then plug it into the wall or wherever you can find a USB port to charge, and you can then start charging. For the most part, the touch controls are very easy. They're not difficult, and there's no buttons. You literally just hover over. Very simple and easy. It's nice, and honestly, you don't even have to touch your phone. Literally, as long as you have these glasses, you can control the volume. You can pick up a phone call and a phone call, and you have voice assist. Pretty much Siri. If you tap it 3 times, you can access Siri. So that's really nice. When you power them on, both sides pair together automatically. Then you go into Bluetooth, tap in the device name, you're connected. The connection is quick, easy, and stable. And sound quality. So they're not replacement earbuds. They're more for casual listening. Voice and podcast sounds good. Music is clear, but not heavy on the bass. They're great for walking, driving, or working out without covering your ears. And because they're open ear, you stay aware of your surroundings. That's one of the main things I love about these glasses. I can hear what's going on in my phone, and also I can hear what's going on in the world. And I love that because let's just say I'm in an office space. These come in handy, so that way if someone calls my name or if someone needs me, I don't have to, I won't look like I'm too focused, and I can hear everything that's around me for safety reasons also. But for the most part, there's a lot of pros. They're transparent, stylish, they're lightweight, comfortable. They have UV protection on the lenses, easy to touch and control. They have Bluetooth, good for calls and podcasts, and they are affordable. Cons, I would say, only the 5 hours of playback. I would love like 24 hours, but you know, who doesn't want more? 5 hours is still good, but you know, I would like more. The range also, 10 meters, that's decent, but I would love something like 20, maybe even 50 meters, you know what I mean? But honestly, my final verdict, if you want a pair of affordable, stylish tech glasses that let you listen to music, take calls, and stay aware of the environment, these are actually a solid pickup. They're not trying to compete with Ray-Ban Meta glasses, but for the price, they deliver exactly what you expect. I bought them for $18 in total. Anyways, thank you for tuning in on Reviews for Success. I will see you on the next video. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you give this video a follow, like, subscribe, and leave your feedback down below.